solve some numericals which is depends on the chapter lesson first, that is motion and rest. Numericals problem. Question number 1. A train first travels of 30 minutes with a velocity of 30 km per hour, and then for 40 minutes the velocity be 40 km per hour in the same direction. Calculate the total distance traveled and the average velocity of the train. आज हम इस चैप्टर का न्यूमेरिकल सॉल्व करेंगे। इस क्वेश्चन में सब लोग क्वेश्चन को ध्यान से देखें। क्वेश्चन को सबसे पहले सॉल्व करने से पहले इसको क्वेश्चन में क्या गिवन में है और क्या अपने को फाइंड करना है, इस पर हम लोग पहले ध्यान देते हैं। फिर अकॉर्डिंग टू द रिक्वायरमेंट वी यूज द फॉर्मूला to apply solve this problem. The train first traveling for 30 minutes. एक ट्रेन है जो 30 मिनट तक ट्रेवल करती है। किस वेलोसिटी से? 30 किलोमीटर पर आवर। इन फर्स्ट जर्नी टाइम will be 30 minutes, time given 30 minutes and the velocity be 30 km per hour, and then for 40 minutes the velocity be 40 km per hour in the same direction. One have to find the total distance traveled in this journey and the average velocity of the train we have to find. So given information, first of all we write the given information. Given t1 time 1 equal to 30 minutes. Here the unit of time is minutes and here the speed of the unit given in kilometer per hour. So we change this time in hour. 30 minutes equal to 30 by 60 equal to 1 by 2 hour. T1 equal to 30 minutes, it changed into hour, that is half hour. Velocity given be v1 30 km per hour given. In second journey the time will be 40 minutes. So t1 equal to 40 minutes and we change it in hour. So it's divided by 60, then 2 by 3 hours. T2 equal to 2 by 3 hours and V2 equal to 40 kilometer per hour. 40 kilometer per hour. V2. As you know that distance traveled by body equal to velocity into time. Distance traveled by body is equal to velocity into time. So distance traveled in first journey. First journey means in 30 minutes. First journey left S1. So S1 equal to V1 into T1. S1 equal to V1 into T1. Here V1 be 30 km per hour and T1 equal to half. So we can write it 30 into half equal to 15 kilometer. Similarly, we find the distance traveled by body in second journey in 40 minutes. Distance speed equal to velocity equal to 40 kilometer per hour. So second journey S2 equal to V2 into T2. Here V2 equal to 40 kilometer per hour and T2 equal to 2/3 hours. So 40 into 2/3. 40 into 2/3. So we can write it 40 80/3. We can write it 80/3. Now that is kilometer. As you know that here, that is the distance traveled by body in each journey. So now we'll solve. So the total distance traveled by body, total distance S equal to S1 plus S2. S1 plus S2 equal to 15 plus 80/3 equal to 3. 45 plus 80 equal to 125/3 equal to 3 4 ja 3 1 ja point 41.66 approx. Here total distance traveled by body 41.66. Total time taken to travel this distance B C1. Total time equal to T equal to the C1 plus T2 equal to the, that is first answer, T1 plus T2. T1 plus T2 equal to 1/2 plus 2/3 equal to the 7/6 hour. 7/6 hour. So the average velocity of the train, solution of second problem, the velocity of the train V equal to total distance traveled by total time equal to total distance 125/3 whole by 7/6 equal to 125/3 into 7 into 6. 3 2 ja 6. 250/7. 250/7 approximate 35.71 kilometer per hour. That is the solution. In this way we can solve this problem. That is the solution of this problem. Similarly we can solve the next problem. Students, now we solve the second problem, second numerical problem. Here a car starting from rest, एक कार जो है वो रेस्ट से स्टार्ट होती है, स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम रेस्ट, एक्वायर्ड ए वेलोसिटी, रेस्ट से स्टार्ट हुई और एक्वायर्ड वेलोसिटी, और उसके वेलोसिटी 180 मीटर पर सेकेंड की रफ्तार वेलोसिटी होने में इसको कितना टाइम लगता है? 0.5 आवर, 0.05 आवर. आफ्टर 0.05 आवर the velocity change, that will be 180 meter. Find the acceleration. Here we find the acceleration. Since body travels which start from rest, since body start from rest, क्योंकि बॉडी जो है वो रेस्ट से स्टार्ट होती है, इसलिए इसकी इनिशियल वेलोसिटी क्या होगी? 0 मीटर पर सेकेंड. इनिशियल वेलोसिटी ऑफ द बॉडी भी 0 मीटर पर सेकेंड. आफ्टर 0.05 आवर its velocity will be 180 meter per second. So here the time given in hour, that is hour, we change it into second. So to change this time in second, we have to multiply 60 into 60. That will be 180 second. The time 0.5 hour, 0.05 hours is 180 second. Final velocity given v equal to 180 meter per second. So acceleration produced in the body, acceleration produced in the body a equal to v minus u by t. The final velocity be 180 minus initial velocity be 0 and time taken to travel 180 second. So that is 1 meter per second square. That is the answer. The acceleration produced in the body 1 meter per second square. Third question written on the board. Third question be, a body is moving vertically upward. एक बॉडी को ऊपर के डायरेक्शन में फेंका गया, फ्रॉम वर्टिकली, ए बॉडी मूविंग वर्टिकली, वर्टिकली मींस ऊपर की ओर जा रही है. इट्स वेलोसिटी चेंज ए कांस्टेंट रेट फ्रॉम 50 मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर. इसका जो change at a constant rate from 50 meter per second square to 20 meter per second. 50 meter per second to 20 meter per second. यहां एक बॉडी को ऊपर की ओर फेंका गया, कितने वेलोसिटी से? 50 मीटर पर सेकंड के वेलोसिटी से ऊपर की ओर फेंका गया, और ये 3 सेकंड में, आफ्टर 3 सेकंड the velocity of the body change, that will be 20 meter per second. As you know that when a body thrown upward direction, then due to the force of gravity, due to the gravitational force or force of gravity, its velocity decreases. Its velocity decreases, and after 3 seconds its velocity changed 20 meter per second. So here 50 meter per second is the initial velocity of the body, time taken 3 seconds, and final velocity will be, final velocity given 20 meter per second. So acceleration produced in the body a equal to v minus u by t. V means 20 minus u 50 by 3 equal to minus 30 by 3. Minus 30 by 3 equal to minus 10 meter per second square. It means since acceleration of the body is negative, here acceleration of the body is negative, so we can write it the value of acceleration A equal to minus 10 meter per second square, but it also known as retardation. When we write it retardation, then the value of retardation is positive, in positive 10 meter per second square. That is the solution of this problem. Students, the fourth question be a bicycle initially means starting, initially moving with a velocity 5.0 meter per second, accelerates for 5 seconds. 5 सेकंड तक ये एक्सेलरेट्स at a rate of 2 मीटर पर सेकंड स्क्वायर. किस रेट से एक्सेलरेशन है यहाँ? 2 मीटर पर सेकंड स्क्वायर के रेट से. What will be its final velocity? इसकी फाइनल वेलोसिटी क्या होगी? यहाँ आप लोग देखें u इक्वल टू 5 मीटर पर सेकंड टाइम t इक्वल टू 5 सेकंड एंड एक्सेलरेशन इक्वल टू 2 मीटर पर सेकंड स्क्वायर. Given the initial velocity of the body is 5 meter per second, acceleration for 5 seconds means time equal to time given 5 seconds and a equal to 2 meter per second square. As we know that to find the final velocity of the body, final velocity represented by v, so v equal to u plus at, then we put the value of u 5 plus a 2 meter per second square into 5, then the final velocity will be 15 meter per second. That is the solution. In this way we can solve some numericals, and also you can solve this problem, this type problem of this type. That's all.